for me, that wasn't enough. I had a bigger dream. I wanted to do something that most of us take completely for granted. Through the pain and the tears and the curse words screamed at the top of my lungs, I worked harder than I had ever worked on anything before. Eventually, with perseverance, through the heartbreaking setbacks and absolute refusal to quit, I had that wonderful, soul-soaring moment of triumph. Thank you.